Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to stand up because I'm trying to, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I did the whole studio setup. I can't get it right. I can't get it down. So I'm just going to stand up because I'm having some trouble and sitting down is just not an option. And I'm trying to get this video done and going and up for you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So if you read the title, it's basically fun buns, and I did my makeup already, and I'm going to just show you how I do a really quick fun bun tutorial, I guess you would say. So what you'll need is you need some rubber bands, some chongos, and you will need a couple of bobby pins. Here, you'll need a couple bobby pins. You'll need some hairspray. And I'm going to put some of this styling gel in as well. It's also heat protectant, and a little dry conditioning spray, but it's also a shine. So that's the three things that you'll need. You don't have to use these products, but I will link the products down below, and you can use whatever you have around the house. I'm sure it'll work just fine. We'll need a little pick comb for teasing, or if you have a teasing brush, that's gonna work to kind of make your chongos, your ponytails, real, like, you know, fluffy and thick, so you don't have to put on extensions, because I do know some girls will put extensions around it and will make that really, but if you just kind of give yourself a good teasing, you'll be just fine. So, and you just kind of have to like work with it just a little bit. So I washed my hair last night, and sorry, just like my bra keeps. So I washed my hair last night, and you can tell it's just, this is in the fresh, this is raw, you know, whatever. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush this out. We're gonna brush this out. I'm just gonna take a white tooth comb and really just like brush it out. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this straightening blow drying balm, and you're supposed to put it on wet hair obviously, but we'll make this work. So you just put a little bit, and why I'm putting this on is because I'm going to straighten the fronts of my hair, and you'll see why, for the braids. And just kind of, you know, because you are going to smooth it back, and you are going to braid with it too, so it kind of like will help tame all those like baby hairs and stuff. I'm not going to worry about straightening this part because I want this part to be full, and I'm not worried about it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the middle of your brush and just kind of go up the center of your forehead. And you definitely might need someone for the back or get a mirror, but for the sake of the video, I'm not really worried about it. Okay, so now you have your halves. So what you're going to do now is you're going to take your comb, and you're going to split it all the way to your ear. So you're gonna do this. Get it? And split it. If you do it right, you'll end up on the exact same spot that you did your other one. So what you're going to do is you're going to take, now you're going to make chongos, pigtails, like you normally would. You decide how high you want them. I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray. And just kind of like smooth all that together. I want mine about right here. So I'm going to slip this off and tie it. You want it really tight. And there you have it, you have your first chongo. Same thing. Slip it out. And tease this. So what I'll do is I'll spray some hairspray on it. So then what you'll do is you'll take it, kind of smooth out the outer end, the outer part, just because you kind of want some type of smoothness, but don't get too worried about it. You'll kind of twist it a little bit. And you just kind of like work with it. And you'll fix it once it's set. Take some bobby pins. Stick it in there. So here comes the tricky part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit more of this styling balm, like just to make everything real clean and flat, and you know, like what I said earlier. So I'm going to take more, put this on there. I'm kind of using this as a gel in a way, so if you have gel, that's fine, use that. It'll probably be a lot better than this. So what you're gonna do is, I'll start with this side because you'll be able to see better. So you'll take your finger, I don't know why, or yeah, your pinky, and you're gonna kind of go up in a triangle or at a slant. You're gonna go up in a slant, just kind of go up, and you're gonna make 3. I'll show you a little bit and then I'm gonna speed through it because it's really not that hard. That's 4. So you make 3, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna go under, pick up some hair, under, over, under, right? And then you're going to pick up some hair, under, over, under, and when you braid, you want to braid at that angle, okay? And I might not even be saying this right, so forgive me. Pick up hair, grab under, and this one goes over, so you're gonna pick up more hair, and you're gonna want some bobby pins in case, like, you see how it's kind of got a bump right there, and I want to stick that under there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that piece and I'm gonna just stick it under there. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Pretty simple, pretty easy, which is the same thing. I just said the same thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would love to see them. Just something easy and fun, great for the summer, great for the water park. If you just want to like have your hair picked up but yet still look kind of cute until you get wet, then you're just gonna look like a wet ball with balls on your head. But I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any requests for any future videos, please put them down in the comment section. I will have everything I use listed down in the bottom bar. And until next time, bye.